Okay, let's do number 2 now, using the same rules. So, number 2 does not have a -3 exponent. It actually has a 2 to the 1. The -3 is only going to the -4. So the 2 is going to stay, and the -4 is going to go on the bottom. So it's going to have 2 over -4. And then once it's on the bottom, my exponent is going to turn positive. Now that 2 on the top is still just going to stay, so 2. And then -4 to the third gives me -4 times -4 times -4. I know that these two -4s give me positive 16 times -4 gives me -64. So my answer so far is 2 over -64. Now let me ask myself, can I simplify this? Yes, I can. These are both even numbers. The 2 and the -64 are both even numbers. So I'm going to reduce by dividing both the top and the bottom by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So I get 1 over, and -64 divided by 2 is -32. And then I'm done.